Hello everybody, today we're going to be painting up a Celtic mirror. Well, it's a Celtic mirror prototype. So you can see the Celtic designs there. This Celtic mirror originally was made from foam, sculpted from foam, and then we made a mould from that, and then this is the prototype cast in this video, or the cast of the frame, which is casted using Crystacal R, which is a very hard plaster, and reinforced with nylon fibres. So just bodged in the mirror there just to put it in place. This isn't going to be suitable for hanging or anything like that, but we just wanted to see how the mirror turned out in the casting process, obviously resulting in this cast, and to do a paint job also, as you can see here. This particular design might not be everybody's cup of tea, as it's kind of like got a worn and distressed look, perhaps a rugged and rustic look. So here's the original model build, which was made from the EVA foam. So this is like very bendy, as you can see there. I got around to finishing off the project, and we started this around about 2 years ago in 2019, I think it was. It might have been a little bit earlier. So anyway, this is the EVA foam and thinner EVA foam strips to carve out or cut out the Celtic design there. I used like a hot soldering iron type tool to kind of give that worn look on the Celtic design, but I kind of wish I'd left them nice and clean. But there we are. Some people might like that effect, and other people might prefer a sharper look. So as I say, this is like the prototype mirror, and just testing out a paint job, just a simple little paint job employing washes and dry brushing, which you've probably seen in other videos on the channel. So like I say, in future casts of this particular mirror, we'll probably use concrete, and make sure we embed some hangers in the concrete so you can hang it on the wall. This one isn't suitable for hanging on the wall. And this prototype, I'll use this and just rest it up against a wall, and we'll make this back bit safer, so don't copy what I'm doing here for safety purposes, but we can make this more secure by reinforcing it with other materials. I plan to make a fiberglass version of this frame also, and incorporate LED lights inside the frame, so we could have an effect, a nice paint job effect, maybe similar to this, but when you switch on the LEDs, it will kind of, we can like create some glowing effects maybe in the cracks and around the Celtic design areas, but that's a project for another day. So anyway, I'm waffling as usual. Let's go back in time and see how this prototype mirror came about.